Wait, no, wait. Ah! Ow.
Get up.
No, Mas.
Get up.
No, Mas. Why are we doing this? Ow.
Club Bondi Junction.
Alright. November 4th.
Jai and Drew.
Why are you so worried? I've already beaten both of them.
Last time you faced Jai, he left you destroyed in that ring.
Yeah, but you were there to watch my back.
And if it wasn't for that mask, Drew would have shattered your face.
But I still got my mask, so we're okay. Oh, wait, ah! Ow.
Get up.
No, Mas. I want rum. I need a drink.
Get up.
Why are you so persistent on this training?
Because you knew from the beginning that I was a bad luck charm. And yet, you stayed around long enough to be my best friend.
Aw.
Oh! You're open.
Ow.
Get up.
Whose place are we at anyway?
That's not important.
We've never come here before.
Details.
What are you guys doing on my lawn?
You brought us to Drew's place?
They are idiots.